Hello and welcome to the Rise Centre in Amsterdam. It's Monday the 13th of September. You're watching IBC TV News. On today's programme, cameras in focus. What's new behind the lens? Is 3D the way forward? It depends how you look at it. We explore both views. And reach for the sky. It's the latest weather map. There's a bewildering range of cameras at IBC, so how do you decide what's best for a particular job? Well, many filmmakers have been reluctant to go digital, but it seems that resistance is beginning to fade. Meanwhile, some of the most interesting camera developments are taking place at the low end of the market. Paul Brand reports.
This is the latest camera technology, but it's not often used to shoot the latest films. For years, the big screens mostly resisted digital, but at IBC there's more temptation than ever to take the film out of filmmaking.
Well, really the hot topic is shooting with a large format sensor to reduce the depth of field. So here at Sony we're in our 35mm world area, so we have the F35, which is a very well-known PL mount sensor. Then we have the 9000 PL. So this is the thing that people really want these days, is to shoot with a large format sensor, usually PL mount, because of the range of lenses that are available.
So what's at the top of that range? We asked one film expert to take us window shopping.
The really exciting thing is Leica is back into the cinema lens manufacturing business, and they've made something specifically optimized for digital applications. So everything from the sharpness to the look to the aesthetic and the choice of lenses are very, very, very good.
So Fred, another lens, this time an ARRI that you've chosen.
Well, ARRI, the camera manufacturer, has teamed up with Fujinon and made a affordable set of zoom lenses covering a really long range. This is their longest tele zoom lens. And we've also seen other manufacturers such as S2 come up with solid-state recorders.
Some of Fred's choices were pretty expensive, but something that's generating just as much interest for a tenth of the price is this Panasonic AF101. It gives you all the benefits of DSLR without some of the drawbacks.
You got to understand this. These DSLRs exploded on the scene because they let us shoot footage that looked different than anything we've been able to get before. But shooting with one is very compromised in workflow and in manipulating. It's not made for the job of making video. The AF101 gets us that same look, and actually a better look because it fixes a DSLR's aliasing image issues, but it's also a professional video camera, so it has all the connections and all the features and all the conveniences that we're used to.
But the big shoots are rarely about convenience. Digital needs to promise a lot more to tilt the balance away from film.